Alright vlog, what go on? Bless up on yourself, everything jiggy. I'm about to make this video, right? I like a IG type video, so I just want to document the whole process for me. I'm gonna remix the Shano song, the Dark Room song, the body man. Big up yourself, Shano. So let me tell you how the whole idea for this come about. Cause people always ask me. So when I get the opportunity to document, god damn it, when I get the opportunity to document how I do this and what happens in my brain, I do it. Anyways, yesterday, right? The idea came to me talk about how in a high school, dudes them used to just love staying at the bathroom. Like when they my skull class and thing, and that they just dip on my brain. Say, yo, if we talk about that in my old idiot show podcast. Then no, a little bit after I'm done record with me I doing cause I put out a video. Anyways, I just give you the process of what's going on. Like how I end up with me there. I put out a story time yesterday on the old idiot show. Channel, go check it. And then when I nothing to do, my life go through YouTube, so nightly fix. The fix, big up on yourself. So Mr. Shano interview drop, and you know them talk about the whole process of Shano career and all of that, and in big song with their road now, the Dark Room. And then the melody of that, along with me talking about the bathroom thing, stuck in my head. I got on my bed, now I pay the mind. Wake up this morning, I'm gonna use the bathroom, right? Before I go in, I take up my phone and I say battery almost dead, and I say, oh, you know, some should have probably charge just before I go. Cause you know you want in a bathroom with some entertainment, you know, that's how we do things nowadays. But I go in there with the phone and the phone battery dead. And in my head same time, the Shano song start play. And I start mumble the words, you know, kind of fill in. I take out theme words and I fill in my words for match with the situation with me in the bathroom without my phone on. So anyways, that's how the whole process of this idea came about. Different thing. I did I think about to make a podcast. I talk about youths back in high school, you used to stay in a bathroom, you know? And then in a little chill time, I end up watch the nightly fix. Why am I say nightly fix? The fix interview with Shano and the melody from him song, what am I talk about tonight, stuck in my head. Got my bed, wake up, use the bathroom, phone battery dead, and then the idea of this video I'm gonna put on IG come about. I'm gonna show you my little recording process here now. I hope that kind of, you know, just showing how the brain and how everything go on when time I create things. Another thing is that people always ask me, yo Kevin, where is that song? Usually there is no recite song. We just write whatever can fit in the Instagram time frame. Because we know the people, them span short. So whatever you do, you have to catch them within like a minute. Anything after that, gone. I mean, you lose them. So usually just write the song for fit in that time frame. For like, beyond when we stop in that song, there is nothing else. Another thing what we want to say to is, Shano one bad artist, you know. So the man can write, him have good melodies, like some solid melodies. If you check out him song there. I feel like, you see like people with them, brother, they just need the right budget behind them. The right budget and the right links. And man, they can be like massively international, big artists. And I never meet Shano, I don't know Shano. I think at one time I ever see Shano and when Tavi did have, we were doing food line thing. And we did go up on this little, was it a tour? And Tavi did say we must forward with him. And that's the only time I ever see Shano. I know for a fact say, him a bad artist. Him and Devin the Doctor. Gage too. Shano, Devin the Doctor, Gage. Some bad artists. Me alone in that. Chasing me, myself, and I in my shadow. Yeah. Lights out. It's the darkest time for me. Go through. I just like to run through my lyrics before me even start recording. Yo, I'm easily distracted in about like outside sounds and I feel like people are listening to what me are doing them. I wonder what me are doing them. I don't like that type of shit. That's why I just like to have just far off from people. I need like a fucking soundproof room. I'm just do my thing and now if you think. Fuck! Anyways, let's go. Oh, I'm gonna plug in my mic. Idiot. Yo, idiot in that breath. Usually I write the lyrics from my phone, but because of I need the phone to kind of have a battery low, so I'm gonna turn it on. Cause I want to film the IG video also for it. So my phone there, so usually dip on my phone and I just you know, like gonna see me in a video them, that's how I do it. But notepad. Just write it down on notepad there now and boom. Oh, big up the youth to remake that beat there too. His name Kweng and Leng. Kweng and Leng beats. My phone battery dead in the bathroom. I'm in the IG to scroll through. There's me, myself, and I in my dodo right now. There's no entertainment for me right now. While me a number 1, 2, or 3 right now. No idea. Okay, me forgot that part there. No TikTok and no IG. No YouTube for me to pray. But the shampoo buckle me a read right now. And that's how the song done it. It done right there, so. I'm not write no more. So we didn't ask if no more. Maybe one day I might take music serious, you know. But my thing is this, bro. If I could take music serious one day, I like a spot where, alright, boom, one producer, we having head on him body. You know, I know 100,000 man around me. But I'm in a light man. You know what I mean? And not like no homophobic thing. But just like have people around me who are productive and them things. I mean, I bag of waste man energy, bro. I just like to have in a comfortable space if I have to do no music thing. You know what I mean? Have a link where I respect and rate. We respect and rate me and them things and I depend on the waste man vibe and the bag of, you know, lula and all them sitting there. Somebody were talented too, who can play an instrument. So I say, yo, give me that, like, yeah, because I can find some melody in my head sometime, you know. I just say, give me that melody there. You know? Anyways, I jump off a topic. I go back to this now. I test it again. My phone battery dead in the bathroom. I'm in no IG for school too. Just me, myself, and I in my dodo right now. There's no entertainment for me right now. While me a number 1, 2, or 3 right now. No TikTok and no IG. No YouTube for me to pray. And the shampoo buckle me a read right now. Yo, that's it, bro. That's it, bro. I ain't doing no more. I try to record it, I know, and see, is it? My phone battery dead in the bathroom. I'm in nana. Alright, cancel that. Can I say I'm in nana? It's supposed to be no. Let's go again. No, don't tell me what I go on. I load up a mic. The mic is armed. But guess what? No, guess what? So the mic, you know. So the mic, you see? But guess who never press record? Well, I mean, I tell you, brother. And see me like a script here, so. Alright, with the lyrics them there. Mother, father. I mean, some of this, I can change out it, but it's supposed to change out, but today in my head, not yasso. So I just sing it to what in my head, not to what is here. Alright. But just give you the insight as to like how me create these things, you see me? Right now, no IG. You see? I fuck it up again. I say no IG. I suppose no TikTok and no IG. I'm not gonna hear what is what so far. I'm gonna go in and like clean up little things if you're saying. Just me, myself, and I and my so I'm going to try finish up this now and then circle back and make an hear what the finished product is, if anything changed. I think we're done. I like how it sound. But you know what, something that I've learned since I've been doing these like music things within my video. These headphones, they are not built for you to listen to the audio like an engineer would. It's only built for like output purposes mostly. So you only hear, it sounds nice. You know, but if you have the real studio engineer headphones, you hear things different and you're able to mix and master your vocals with the instrumental in a better way. But you know, I don't have those things yet, and I'm not going to a studio as yet either. So I'm just doing it my way, and it sounds good in this. Let me play it and see if the thing from the microphone from this will yeah. This needs to be a book. Cell phone battery dead in the bathroom. Coming on the IG to scroll through. Just me, myself, and I in my dodo. Right now, there's no entertainment for me. Right now, while we are number 1, 2, or 3. Right now, no TikTok and no IG, no YouTube for me to free. By the shampoo bottle we got. Right now. Yeah, that's it. I think I want to turn on the high type of thing. I might just take out the blood stain. I might turn it on some more. I'm gonna try put the visuals together for you now, which should be fairly simple. I've done the video. I'm editing it now, putting on the final touches. I dropped this about 5 o'clock today. So far, it's making me laugh, and like I usually tell you, when I laugh, it's a telltale sign that it's going to be a good video. It's not always 100%, but let's see what the result of this one is. I'm proud of it. I like it. I really do, man. So I'm gonna put down the finishing touches. I am hungry right now. I let in like a light in a place, rain that fall, and them top them, and the nerves they can't do what go on. But that side look kinda, wet up and them thing there. But after I'm done with this, I have some food me I defend. I don't know where me I go eat. Maybe some ramen. I don't know, bro. That vlog I might short. I don't think I'm not gonna cooking in that vlog. Couple cultures, anything to go for. Some phone battery dead in the bathroom. No me on the IG to scroll through. Just me, myself, and I in my dodo. What you just saw a while ago was, I think, was like a finished product. What I think, you see, there's another little additive that I like to put in that I think will, just add another element of dynamics to the video. But with the way it is and what you just saw, it's good. It's good. Average person they will love that. Go ramen and the thing there and that done. Couple cultures, anything go for. I was just saying some simple things kind of funny. Couple cultures. Is that video ready? You ready? I don't know who it is. It was on TikTok. I'm even incorporating it on my video because it's funny. Good yours. Now I know people say that garlic ginger sauce there. Put it on some chicken nuggets. What are they calling that? Chicken nuggets, right? The other day, delicious. I had for dinner yesterday and the day before yesterday. I'm gonna show you a picture because I usually take picture of my little din, you know what I mean? Yeah man, in case more I make a little gram story post or whatever. Because sometimes I take them and I post them and I just take it in case. Look nice, not true. I tell you now, it is shot. I remember when I used bush rice around here, so see I had the nice jasmine rice that found Grace. You understand? Why? It bust when I tell you now. Chicken nice and savory and sweet. And then, my God, I feel like I don't know make for dinner. I don't know. If my mind trippy, because I really know in a cooking mood. I mash down that and then, see if I can put in another piece in my video. But right now it's a render. For me it's a render, for only you just eat. Funny. I hope the video of me explaining how the idea came about. Because I realize it might sound kind of jumbled or it don't make sense to you, but I just try to see how the idea came from where it was to what you see in the end. I hope it makes sense. I need sugar to put in a sauce if I go do it. So it seems like we're probably not going to cook when we say I go cook. Because I don't have no sugar. The rain fall. I have an umbrella, but who really want to live in the yard when it rain, brother? So the original idea of this not involving any cooking is back in play. Which makes the last idea null and void for now. I don't know if my mind changed. Then we see we see the end. If a difference. Vlog, and I can't tell me why I choose to look like this in a life. I don't know, maybe one day I will trim and I will look handsome again. But for now, Scalar Wangle! End up for that barbershop. Look. You know? Touch up. I think I might walk home. I know it. If the rain stop falling and anything. Or the start fall, I should say. Look clean again. There's some here on top. But you know, you see it when the hat come out and thing, you know, I just step down the side. I'll try to walk home about like 3:40 and now almost 4 o'clock. So I want to see how long it'll take me to reach home. With the food situation, I think I might just buy some food. But I try walking to home, you know? It's a little exercise. Enjoy the outdoors. It's a good thing to walk, you know. When I drive, you usually fly past places and you miss out on some little sweet spots. And I see a whole heap of food place. And also, we just see another barbershop. I thought there was only one barbershop within the whole stretch here, so turns out there's two. Why I wouldn't see it? Because it tuck away around the one part. And if you now move slow, then you wouldn't really see it. I now know of a second barbershop that I can go to. Alright, tip cheerio. For it to almost be 4 o'clock. The sun is pretty friggin' high in the sky. I know what I go on, brother. Through a summer, as a sun is a high, brain and tell me say that. I may have heard that information somewhere, I don't know. Look at the beautiful lawn, huh? Well kept. My God. Beautiful. It's mind the business before people shoot after me. Lawn look nice too, you know. Whoever do the lawn work, they deserve whatever them I get. And if you not pay them enough, pay them more. And here lies a bundle of hair. There's a garden right here, bro. I didn't even know. I wonder if it's open to the public. That's the big question. I mean, the gate open. You don't really see nobody at the gate. But I'm guessing it's something you probably have to book. But it look free. Maybe one day I'm try it over there and see what. Look familiar? Eh? It look familiar over there, sir? I don't know if you don't see them. But about 3 million thousand like a fly around. And them they all the length of this. See look a bug them there when I did not try show no. They were even flying in my mouth, man. Some of them catch on the umbrella. I think on the outside too, the outside wet. So you know the viscosity of the water, blood stain. Grab them, you see me? I hope I just use viscosity in a right context. Viscosity are the thing where liquids have to make them they are able to adhere to surfaces. So like how, you know, when you drink your juice and it can come up through the straw, that's what it is. So I think I used it the right way, because they are sticking, the bugs are sticking to the water. But they mean like seal as in that seal they must be spelled different, or other seal. Or maybe a seal as in the stop leak. Navy seal, I don't know what kind of seal, but them say protected by seal, so a seal there we seal the deal. For real. Alright, I'm gonna be quiet now. See that girl there, I go that way there, you see me? So I just take our next road, cause you know, and then girl there take no brother. Just like when I just trip. The man a thief when I get thief up on the road. I get the food, you know, I mean, they buy food there a couple times already, and it tastes nice, so fuck it. I'll get it. First time they come they get, what's the name? Rib dry steak, but is it really a Jamaican restaurant if the rib the fried dry? But we did hungry, so I boxed on that. So I'm still looking on time so we can get that. A while ago I across the road, and in a Migla road me there, I see one fat behind. Of course it's a girl behind. You know? And I had to look. So if I carry the cloth, I don't write this one. But I have to just take that cloth down and not say no, because I want a fat back here, brother. Couldn't make it past me. If I look funny, don't blame me. Blame the fat batty. Yo, dick! Get my sugar, how many time I'm supposed to get. So, now I go bother cook because I buy food, right? But at least I have the sugar. I make my tea, and if I want to do the chicken now, I can do it. Second thing, I see someone said I must sell rabbit meat. But I've never had rabbit meat before, so I don't know what it tastes like, look like, you know. And a man can just tell you say a rabbit meat and then you find out down the line, say a janker and them thing. If you move well tactical, you know. That if me I go order it, probably to make a sandwich or just to try for the first time for to see. Want to order a piece of the rabbit to me can recognize which would be like maybe like a leg thigh quarter this, so you know. No, say if you look a certain way for a rabbit, I don't know, maybe I'll try it. I think me probably need to pick that before the bird them fuss me. Maybe tomorrow. If I go there and I see it tomorrow, that means say it belongs to the birds. Reach back on the ends, people. It took us about 1 hour and 3 minutes because the time is now 4:43, and when we did start walk, I did 3:39, so about an hour and 3 or 4 minutes over here. That 1 hour worth of walking, I feel exhausted, but it's good for me, you know. Open up the look, I got the sweat marks from my bag. Open up the lungs, you know what I mean. I get some cardio in, nice, simple and easy. I bought this from the place where I bought the it smells good. Well, I wonder if it tastes good. When I just buy the sugar, and I said, you know, I said to myself, it looks nice. It's nice and dark. I think it's banana bread. I think. Whenever I ask me, just see it and it catch me eye, I'm a buy it. Also, you know a product good. It catch your eye, I buy it. So I bought it, right? It feels rather soft too. And I'm saying to myself, you know, you should buy another one though, because I can bet that when you bite into it, you're gonna love it, and then you're gonna say, oh, I wish that I had bought another one. And I said to myself, shut the fuck up, bitch. We only have money for one. I feel like myself made a bad decision. I just feel like I'm gonna like it. I burn out the little ramen we eat. I want to wash my head, but the other day I still have it. The last of it is here. What ear infection me they have, and it's going away. So I don't want the water go in there and make it come back. Cause it's been a rough couple of days with this goddamn thing. We're not even telling about that. Oh, if I updating up on the car, something inside of the engine. I don't know what it was. We never asked, but the mechanic did video call me and show me the piece where him take out, and it look like it broke up. So that I get sorted out. Still have a silly, but that I get sorted out before. Whew, I be tired, man. I be tired. Look, this is how I like to trim. And I like when them trouble this, like line up my mustache, and on special occasion I might do it. But then you know, I hate when I get like hair bumps. This probably is one, but it isn't from them lining me up. I just tell him to go right under so, and that's it. Done. Just take off the hair without a blaze on there. So he made several attempts, you know, for go here. So like, you know, remember, say me I said, no man, brother, no man, I got dodgy. The shear, but this is it. Whoa, look at that.